Eat what you want, what you really, really want. Eat what you want, what you really, really want on May 11th. Why celebrating? Because it is a single day out of the whole year to go off from your diet or break your diet and eat what you really enjoy or love eating. Why celebrate this day? This day deserves to be celebrated, so if you made a New Year's resolution and you decided to go on a diet all this year, you can have this day all to yourself and have the chance to eat what you want on this day, May 11th. An example for this day is if you're on a diet and just can't let yourself eat any junk food because of it, then this day is just perfect for you because if your heart says yes, but your mind says no, then on this May 11th is the day both your mind and heart will say yes and you'll be happy. What can you eat in this day? You can eat whatever you want, like cut up fruit with some chile and chamoy, some sugary cereal, or just a combo of whatever restaurant you want. Chicos tacos preferably.